Okay, we're going to go through module number 2. And in module number 2, we're going to get a really good start on our basis for our course as far as the literature review, looking at theory, the different types of studies, those types of things. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through chapters 1 through 5 of your Tappan textbook. You're going to do some more lessons in your Udacity statistics, and what we're going to have do this time is the discussion board, city training, which is something that we require of all of our students who will be doing projects, and that's just to assure that we're maintaining the highest ethical standards when we're doing projects and research. So this is nationally recognized training, and you may, if you talk to colleagues from other institutions, you will find that this is typically used as a means to do the training for research or for complex projects. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the module itself. So this is a highlight of your readings and an overview of the lessons that you'll be doing in Udacity, and this is just kind of an outline to go through as you're doing your reading, and I have some more prompts for you to help you to kind of process through the reading. And it sounds like a great deal of reading, being 5 chapters, but the chapters are relatively short, so just kind of keep that in mind. I have posted PowerPoints on each one of the chapters. I combined the last 2 chapters, 4 and 5, but please take a look, and I've kind of talked you through some of the nuances of each one of the topics, so please pay attention to that. And again, these are not all inclusive as far as the PowerPoints. Please do, your diligence and do the reading, but this will kind of bring forth some of those topics that you really need to focus in on as you're preparing for this course. So this is the information on city training, and this is where you will click to set up for your city training. This is a video on how to actually set up your account within the McKendree portion of city training. And then, of course, we have the statistics link, and that's where you will do your lessons for Udacity. Do the same thing. Please keep your answers, because you will be entering those answers in the assignments section. So let's go ahead and take a look at the assignment section as well. So for our discussion board, you will select one of the prompts. You can enter the discussion board again. You can enter it right here, or you can also go into discussions, and we will be using Flipgrid again. So we'll be able to have those face-to-face, so to speak, discussions. So that will be very helpful. And you need to post your initial Flipgrid regarding one of these options by February the 2nd, and respond to myself or a classmate or 2 classmates on 2 different days, so a total of 2 responses by February the 9th. Here is where you will upload the verification of your city training, and this is where you will enter the answers for your statistics review. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I look forward to sharing module number 2 with you.